Where'd you find the keys?
Just sight for the gas.
Why drive when we can fly?
That thing?
Let me guess, you're afraid of heights.
I'm afraid of crashing. I'm not at all ashamed to admit it.
You'll be fine, Cage. You'll learn. Oh,
What is it?
it's nothing. I'm fine.
What is it?
It's nothing.
Read it. Let me see.